Welcome to the Derek Show again. Anyways, today I'm going to focus on just a very small, interesting thing about how to print something that's very small so it doesn't clog up the nozzle, as you can see in this video here below. So now the next step is to basically lower the print bed so I can reach that filament wrapped around the nozzle. Now that the print bed is lowered, you can take a look at my nozzle, and you'll see that there's some yellow wrapping around it. There should have been a small print left on the bed. So you can see the print was too small, so it didn't stick on the bed. So as you look at my LCD control panel, the temperature is right. It's nice and hot. So what I can do now is use the pliers to remove the failed print from the nozzle. Right? That's the safest way and the easiest way to do so. So now that that is done, I'm going to take us back to my slicer. And as you can see, I use Ultimaker Cura. I'm just more familiar with it, and in my opinion, it's easier to use. There's other ones as well, like that, like 3D and things like that, or Prusa, but Ultimaker is just fine. So what I'm going to do is, since as you can see, it's a small print, I'm going to give it a wrap. Right? And the larger surface area of the wrap will keep the print stuck to the print bed. I'll print it. I find that works better than the glue stick, even for small print. Also, adding, just in case, I think I'll add in the support. It depends, right? In this particular object, not sure if it needs support or not, but I'll add it in just in case. But no, what I mean is, I don't add them in here. You might want to add in supports just in case, because they help keep things together. I usually use tree supports because they're easier to remove. So once that's done, you can re-slice it and then retie the pin. So as you can see here, what I'm doing is updating the spreadsheet, which is my printing plan. I'm putting the actual metrics that I'm going to use to print. I use this, especially in this case, I'm printing a very large model that's split into several pieces. So that way I can keep track of what I've printed, what I need to print, how much filament I've used, and how much time it's going to take. Right? So I can always track back and figure out the overall cost of the print. So now what you can see here is that I'm printing now, and you can see it's the wrap, and it's sticking. and then when you see I'll show you cut over quickly to when the print is done. And you notice that now everything sits, right? We just have to remove the prints from the wrap and remove the supports if there are any. Okay? So that's really the secret for printing small objects, and just wanted to share this so you could save some time in a quick TikTok video. So thanks for watching the Derek Show again, and I hope you will watch future episodes. Okay? Take care and have a great day. Bye.